We've made it to Michigan. What the heck? We decided to get out for a while. Wrapped up some projects, put tools away, you know, cleaned the garage up before we left and mowed the grass, and we decided to get out for a while. And yeah, we did that, and then the very next morning, that was yeah, yesterday morning, got on the road and just drove and have a destination in mind. Might want to go see some friends. And Bella's out taking care of business this morning. Yeah, I made it up here to somewhere in Michigan, somewhere around Flint, Michigan. Stayed at a Cracker Barrel last night. Pretty quiet around here this morning. Yes, we decided to go see some friends who are in this part of the country. It's not, well, from the garage up to where my friends are at, I'm thinking it was about a 9-hour drive. So I think we got 6 of it in yesterday. We got a little ways to go yet this morning. What do you think, girl? She says there's other dogs who've been here. You know that, don't you? No kidding. Being good this morning? Right. Go, go, go. She decided over in there was a better place back in them weeds. Are you done? All right, come on. Get in the van. Huh? Go on, let's go in the van. It will be good to see friends, and Bella loves it when we meet up with our friends. Bella loves it as well. She says, "Ah, there's my people," and all the other her dog friends as well. You know, it's good seeing everybody, and I know Bella just really enjoys it too. So, you know, we haven't seen our fellow travelers in, I don't know, since like December, I'm thinking. So I do want to make one more cup of coffee for the road. This has been working out great. Hang on. Yeah, I love that rechargeable pump thing, and this my little coffee pot here. Be my 3rd cup. Yeah, 3 cups usually does it for me. Yeah, I'm gonna get this coffee here, and we're gonna get on the road. We still got 3 hours or so to go. That's right. Give me coffee. Give me nice, delicious hot coffee. Try not to spill too much of it. I'm kind of struggling in the food department. You know, I'm just not used to the van thing just yet. And well, what's this? York peppermint patties? I feel like I'm gonna be, you know, living off of sandwiches and, you know, deli, macaroni or potato salad and stuff. I'm just not sure what kind of things to. Yeah, I've just gotten in a bad habit of buying a lot of frozen stuff, but I don't have a freezer in the van, but in the bounder. I don't know, it's just kind of a different story. When you have a full refrigerator and pantry, and it's a little more limited. Choices are a little bit more limited in the van. So I have to sort that out for like meal, excuse me, making all that wrinkly noise. I need to better kind of figure out meal planning, I guess. Oops, I lost the lid to my milk. Oh no, where did I put? Oh, here it is, up here. Yeah, meal planning, I don't know. I just don't know yet. Before we left, I did make some brats, which I can heat them up, and I do have a microwave back in there. I just don't know yet here about meals. I gotta do some figuring. I need ideas. It's a little bit too full to put the lid on it. Nice hot coffee. That'll do it. You're ready, huh? You wanna go see some friends? Huh? You wanna go see our friends? I want to thank whoever, I forget who said, but a couple people mentioned this place called Texas Auto Seat Cover or something. They make they actually make these replacements. They're not seat covers, they're for over top of this, but they're at the actual remanufactured, like original seats. And yeah, I'll have to take the seat out and unconnect it from all around, you know, pull them off, pull that one off, and put them on. You know, they're not real cheap, but that's probably the route I'm going to go. That's a reasonable fix. I mean, brand new seats are a fortune, and they're custom, like for RVs. But I just make up the replacement things for these. So we'll get around to that. That's on the list of things to do at some point. I'll have to look. I might go ahead and get those ordered, and then they'll be back at the garage at some point whenever we do get back, whenever that is. Unfortunately, we didn't get to eat at that Cracker Barrel. We got there last night. It was about 30 minutes before closing, and I thought I'd just maybe order something to go real quick. Got online, did my order, all that, and at the very end, after all my information and payment stuff, said, "Oh, sorry, there's been an error, there's been a problem. This store either can't get it ready in time before closing, and so on, or whatever the other reason was." But so we didn't get to eat there, and so there's that. Now, I didn't tell anybody up here that we're coming. I just happen to know some of our friends are up here in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. I think I know where, not exactly where they're at. I think I do. So, anyway, we're on a mission to go find them, but I didn't tell them we're coming, so it'll might be a surprise, huh? Maybe we'll just surprise them. We stopped at a restaurant real quick. We need to take a break anyway, for one thing, and I think I picked out a spot to grab some lunch at, and they probably won't be open when we get there yet. So we're gonna burn a few minutes and stretch our legs anyhow. Probably got an hour to get up that far. But here's this little pond, this lake here. And like many things, I don't know if you can see it or not. Maybe not till the sun comes out, bursts out again. It's kind of clouded up this morning. But this little lake has all these lily pads all out through here, and they're bloomed. They have little white blooms on them. And I didn't notice at first, but you know, way out on the other side, like, what are those white things out there? And then I looked here closer at this batch, and then I noticed, oh yeah, they got blooms. But this is probably, with all the lily pads, this is probably you know, excellent bass fishing, probably particularly largemouth bass. Not real good access down to it though. Bella, you ready to get on the road again? You ready to get on the road again? Huh? Come on. Let's go, girl. We're gonna get rolling. Funny thing I just realized coming up to the upper part of Michigan. We're not up the Upper Peninsula yet, but just the upper part of the main part of the state. I haven't seen any cops anywhere. I've seen a lot of boats, a lot of kayaks, a lot of RVs, but I haven't seen a single cop. So it looks like there's a really big bridge up ahead here. We're gonna stop up here and have lunch. There's a, I forget what it's called. We'll get the name of that bridge here in a minute. There's a toll, and I think the bridge is like 5 miles long. So, okay.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, where are we? This is Wienerlicious. I don't think they're open quite yet. A few more minutes. Yes, that's right. We're going to have lunch at Wienerlicious. Maybe we'll go outside and sit. I don't think it's going to rain. Nice kind of diner style. There it is, a coney dog with chili and onions and mustard, and waffle fries with chili and cheese. just what I need. And when they say a small drink, they mean it. That's all right. That's all right. You can tell we're near a big body of water. There's a seagull coming up here, and they know it's like they were sitting here waiting for them to open. There's a couple other ones around too. Oh, this should hold me all day. That's a lot of waffle fries and chili and cheese. I won't be losing any pounds today. I'm stuffed. No, I didn't eat all those waffle fries. And I probably have some chili and cheese in my beard.
Right onto East and Easter Street, then turn right onto Ducharme Street.
All right, I think there's a place down here where we can get a better look at the bridge and
Take the next right onto North Huron Avenue, then turn right onto Ducharme Street.
the body of water we're gonna cross. Okay, Michelin
In 400 feet, turn left toward North Nicollet Street.
Nicollet. I don't know how to say that.
Turn left toward North Nicollet Street.
All right, I gotta stop this. GPS is gonna drive me crazy here. Well, there's the bridge. All right, we're parked there. And I don't know where I thought I heard that the bridge was 5 miles long. I don't know. I don't know. And there's an old lighthouse over there. I don't know if it still functions or not. Nice park. Yeah, plenty of pigeons. Bell says, let me check the water out. Better. Come on. What are you smelling there? Come on. Go on, get it. No. You're not sure about them waves coming in at her. Alright, plenty of people up there. A little boy up there sitting in the water. Come on. Go. Alright, I think we're going to be seeing a lot more water where we're going. I think. pay our toll. I don't know how much it is to cross this bridge. I seen the rate somewhere, but
Good morning. $4, please. Thank you, sir.
okay, thank you.
Good day.
$4 wasn't too bad. I think Mel and I are gonna find somewhere to take a break here for a little bit. There's a couple things I gotta just check on and sort out, I think, before we get out to where our friends are at. I think we're at about 25 miles roughly to go there, but I think the internet, I think cell service and the internet's gonna be really spotty out here, so I may want to put this video together and get it uploaded. But we're going out here for the weekend, so I don't know how much I'll be able to do that once I'm out there, so I'm gonna play it by ear here. Alright, yeah, just in case this is the end of the video, thanks for coming along. I'll see you soon.